Hey, thanks for watching another video with us. This is my son, Cooper.
This is my dad, CJ the CPA.
So, need versus want. You need stuff, you want stuff. Let's talk about that. So, Cooper, walk through something that you need.
Well, I need, hair product. I need toothpaste, toothbrush. I need blankets. I need gas in my car. Those are kind of essential things.
Yeah. So need would be something that you need every day.
Yeah. You would not be able to go without it.
Yeah. I mean, you need food.
Yes.
Right? You need hopefully running water and electricity and having a roof over your head. And so if your needs are met, then that's when we start thinking about what we want. So what are some things that you want, or even think back, because this is geared towards 5th to 8th grade. What are some things that you wanted?
Probably back in middle school, I wanted, a Vineyard Vine shirt, or, Southern Tide, or a brand new hat, new shoes,
Always Nikes.
Always Nikes.
Always Nike shoes, right?
Yeah.
And so here's the thing I would say is, if you're thinking of what you want, then that probably means that the things that you need are taken care of. And it's easy, I think, to go, well, I want that, and then either not be happy because you don't have it, or you say, well, I want that, and you're maybe not remembering that all of then your needs are taken care of. Because if you didn't have a toothbrush or toothpaste in the morning, would you be more concerned about that or the shoes that you would want to wear?
I'd be more concerned about my breath.
Yeah, exactly. And would you agree that it's a good thing to want things?
Oh, yeah.
It
is a good thing to want things.
Yeah, but it also is a good sign that those that are taking care of you are taking care of your needs, that you even then have time to have wants.
Yeah.
Wouldn't
definitely.
that be true?
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Yeah. So know this, if you're wanting things, that is healthy, it's great. And it also means that those that are caring for you, going to work every day and taking care of your needs, you're not having to worry about toothpaste or toothbrush or making sure you get a shower whenever it is that you want one, and electricity and lights. And so be thankful for what is being provided for you, and thankful that you're in a position that you want to even spend time thinking about what you want. So wants versus needs. All right. Hey, we hope to see you in the next series, and we will be right back. So check out the next video that's coming up, because we're going to talk about, what do we got next here? Let's make sure we get everybody going. We're going to talk about choose what you want to spend your money on, which would be then spending on your wants. All right. Check out the next one.